There you go. Now my floor is pretty white here, but it does have pattern, so it's holding its position really nice and solid. I'm gonna do what I used to do before and bother it. Wow, it's like having a GPS position hole. It tries to come back there, but I can just hold it and put it away and leave it. Woo, it always tries to come back to that position. Alright, let's bother it more. Now, yeah, it found it back. It was a little confused, but then it found it back. So I'm actually disturbing the head, I mean the orientation as well, the direction, the heading of the quadcopter as well. Don't do that at your home, okay? This is me. I have a lot of experience with quadcopters, so I love to have fun like that.